What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be taking the Mini Monster Lincoln out for a rip. It's been a few years since this car's been on YouTube, and pretty much every time I drove it I crashed it. And even recently it's been giving me some ignition issues, it seems. I did put in 4.6 Ford in coils, street fire, so I guess the wiring might be backwards. The plugs, they had to be flipped, and there's like a positive little label. I don't know if that actually means it's the positive side, but they're backwards. But it does run, so we'll give it a fire. Skips for the first little bit until you gotta cycle the key off and on again. Put some water in it. Show you how we do that. So this is how to fill water in this engine. You don't do it the normal way. Take the cap off here. I put in a little T here with a fucking hose. All I do is crack this open. But what you do is you get your end here. You go over to your hose and you put the end of the hose on the fucking thing. Doing all this one-handed, so it might be a little fucking stupid. Fucking thing, come on. All right. Give it to the bitch and just crack the freaking thing and keep going till all the air's out. This thing leaks water out of everything because this composite crap is crap. It's coming up. Pretty good system we got going. I see it right there. Some of that air right out. That should be good. Turn the thing. Turn your hose off. Disconnect it. Tuck that fucking thing back up in there. Just like that. Throw your hose out of the way. Now you're good to go. Once you put your freaking overflow cap on, this thing should stay good for a few, probably a week before you need to add some more coolant. So check the water and give it a rip. Had to lock myself in, so no now dickhead decides to fucking run out in front of me. Come on, stay running. You piece of shit. This might be this day. I don't know. Might have a shitty fucking day. runs out of fuel, the fuel pump gets uncovered and fucking good. This thing's starting to run fucked up. I think I'm either A, running low on fuel, which doesn't seem like it, or B, something's up with this fucking computer or something. I think we fucked this place up pretty good. I gotta clean all this shit. I broke some shit. You see some dangling headlights? Show the fucking carnage. What we did. Fucking idle's men. Drove into something here. Not too bad. But yes. That's mint. We got it pretty good here. Good thing this bumper is hollow. That's just a fucking screw and a zip tie, and then it'll be back as new. I'm pretty shaky because this was fucking mint. I haven't ever sent this car this hard in my life, I don't think. But it's different how to drive it. It's not something that I would put anybody in, because you gotta fuck with the throttle when it falls on its face, and this thing just wants to understeer unless you're fucking full in it. So damn, I got a door seam now. That's fucked up. Anyway, if you like the video, leave a like. If you don't, you don't have to. I don't give a flying fuck. But please just watch my shit. It's not as bad as it looks. I think. Maybe it is. Anyway, hope you think that was good.